this is what I always do.
We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role.
Alright, so for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I tie my balloons every time, no matter what, any size, all that good stuff. This is what I always do. So I have my properly inflated balloon here. Now, I've seen a lot of people where they just tie the single balloon together and then you just have one. I don't do that because that's just gonna create more steps for us down the road. Instead, what I do is I keep this one not tied. I just keep it pinched, hold that one in my hand. Generally, I usually do both of these at the same time because we have two nozzles, so I inflate two balloons at the same time. Yes, we're gonna blow this other one up. Okay, so now we have two balloons, neither of them tied, and I'm actually going to tie them together. So what I do is I cross, I pull one, wrap it around, pull it nice and tight, and tie those together. So that way, we have what I call a balloon dumbbell. So we have two together. This is how I tie my 11s, my 18s and 11s, my 5s, everything. I tie them like this. This is just gonna save you an extra step. And if you're wondering where we go from here, go ahead and check out this other video of how we cluster our balloons together.